All right.
Oh, I see your eyes lit up a little. So,
I liked it. That's why that was
Okay.
a little excitement there.
All right.
Okay.
Is it a current model?
Yes.
Okay. That narrows it down.
Hey everyone, I'm Justin. This is Brandon with Bob's Watches, and we're here with another episode of What's in the Box. All right, Brandon, thank you for joining me today.
Yeah, happy to be here. I'm excited to find out what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Yeah.
I'm sure we have something good. Before we get into it, should we do a wrist check?
Yeah, how about
I
you go
start?
first? Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Daytona Day.
Yeah, you can't.
Love
can't
this
go wrong
one.
with that
Yeah,
one.
Rolex 116500. This is the black dial. I think the white dial is my favorite, but God, it's a close race.
You know, every time I see the black dial, I'm always like, I think I kind of like it a little more.
Yeah,
Because I
it's-
love the white, but I don't know,
Yeah.
black is nice.
They're both good.
Yeah,
All
they're
right.
both
What do you got on today?
I've got on a 1016 glossy dial Explorer from
Classic.
the 60s. So we both have kind of like the black gloss
Yeah.
style going on.
Yeah, very good.
Matchy.
All right, well,
Yeah.
should we get into it? As you guys know, we get tons of watches every single day. We kind of never know what we're going to see.
Yeah.
So today, let's get a box. We'll open it up on camera and see what we got.
Yeah.
All right, Emily, can we get the watch? Okay.
All right.
Spoiler alert, looks like we have a Rolex.
Yep.
You want to take a guess at this?
I'll
Was
take a
that-
guess.
We did that last
Yeah.
time?
How about you take a look? I won't.
All right,
I won't
okay.
peek.
All right.
Oh, I see your eyes lit up a little. So,
I liked it. That's why that was
Okay.
a little excitement there.
All right.
Okay.
Let me have a guess. Is it a current model?
Yes.
Okay. That narrows it down. Is it a sports model?
It's not a sports watch.
Oh. Okay. Is it a Datejust Wimbledon?
It is not. I'll
Oh,
give you one more
specific,
hint.
yeah.
I really like the dial on this one. If you know me, like you should,
Okay, so it's
Should at least be able to get
probably-
close.
It's probably a green dial.
it is a green dial.
Okay, Datejust palm dial. Smooth bezel.
No, but you are close. It's a
Oh,
green dial.
nice.
It is a gorgeous
Killer.
Rolex Date 840.
Yeah, this is sick. Oh, this is so nice.
228235. Ever rose gold with the green dial. That's the
yeah,
important
that's the
part.
kicker.
God, I love a good green dial. And these day dates have that gorgeous. It has like the sunburst color on it.
Yeah, that is
comes in
killer.
a couple different versions. This was a 2022 watch, I believe. And yeah, this is just a beautiful watch. 18 karat Ever rose gold, 40 millimeters. Has the 3255 movement, and this one we mentioned has that green. It's kind of like an olive
Yeah,
to me.
olivey, yeah.
Yeah, and then it has the Roman numerals on it, which
Yeah.
I think really
Yeah.
set it off. If you would like to
Oh yeah, this is
take a
nice.
look.
Yeah, it's like an olivey green, maybe a little hint of pine tree in there.
Yeah,
You
a
know?
little bit.
Or maybe a little, yeah, that's nice. And then when the sun hits it, you really get that like sunburst.
Yeah, this one reminds me of the same dial. Also comes in white gold.
Oh, yeah.
And I love
saw one
that
of
white
those
gold
recently.
version. I'm
Super nice.
I'm less of a like a warm tone gold guy. So white gold is my usual choice, and I think the green and white look good. But man, that Ever Rose looks sweet. That
Yeah, that's nice.
That combo
feels
just-
good. All right, I'll take
it looks
I'll
good.
Take it.
It looks good.
Yeah, that's sweet. I love that hidden clasp.
Love the hidden
bracelet.
clasp. Love the president bracelet. Just a really classy watch.
Yeah.
If I was wearing a president daily, it would be some iteration of this. As much as I love the green, I don't know that I would wear the green every single day, but the watch, it's hard to go wrong with the Date 840.
Yeah, I love it. I do love the 36 also, but I think this and these two sizes are my
Yeah.
preference. The bigger one, the Date 2, was a little too big for me. But
Yeah, I can make both of them work, right? It
course,
kind of
yeah.
just depends on the watch. I fall in love with, everyone I pick up, I
I
seem
know.
like.
And these modern ones have the double quick set, of course, so that makes setting
Double
them
quick
really
set is
easy,
really nice,
which is
especially when you have the day and date complication. Just makes your life a whole
Yeah.
lot easier, especially if you're not wearing it every day.
Is there the box and papers in there?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Let's take a quick peek, yeah.
I mean, this is a very new watch,
Yeah,
so
they
it
should have
wouldn't
it, yeah.
surprise me. Yeah.
Okay, it's
Box,
got the
papers,
card.
hang tag.
Oh,
This
nice,
is
yeah. Full
a
set,
complete
yeah.
set. Yeah. Which is
whole-
great. It's like all of them. They will eventually end up on Bob's website. So if you're looking for this watch or anything similar, or just a great new luxury watch, head over to the new arrivals page. It's updated every single day.
Yeah, and I was thinking, I mean, Rolex has made a lot of green dials, so.
Rolex has made a lot
What's
of
your
green
favorite
dials.
green dial?
Oh gosh.
It's a tough question, but we want to know out there. What's your favorite?
Yeah,
green dial?
I can't give that answer under such pressure. But you guys, let us know, what's your favorite green dial? There is a lot of them. I'm gonna say one of my favorite green watches would be the Kermit. I know it's not a
Yeah.
green dial, but I'm gonna bend the rules a little bit and put it in the category. I'm gonna say the Kermit. But let us know in the comments below, what's Rolex's best green dial? Bezel too, say any green.
Okay.
Leave us a comment below. All right, Brandon, well that about wraps it up for this one. Thank you for joining me today.
Of course,
Another
thanks for having
great
me.
watch. Until next time, we'll see what we have then. Be well.